Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the I Just Wanna Rock trend from TikTok, which is actually such a fun trend to do. It's really short but really easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below so that you don't miss any of my next videos. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you guys to follow. And now let's go with the first move. So first, for our hands, they're just gonna go up. They're gonna go behind our head like this. Our arms are just gonna be bent. And for the first like 2 steps, they're gonna just stay here. So now, for our legs, this is like the hard part, but it's like actually really easy. You're just gonna like do like a small kick, and then you're gonna put your leg down, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. That's it. So just kick, and then kick. That's it. Okay, so you did the kick, and then the other kick. And like when you do them, just make sure to put the weight like on the leg that is standing. So just put your weight, and then you stand and put your weight. Okay, so after you did that, your hands are gonna be together, and they're gonna go down. And you're gonna do the same 2 kicks as we did before. So from the beginning, it's gonna look like this. 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. That's it. Once again, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put both of our legs on the floor, and we're gonna do this move. So it's a move that you can see like in a lot of dances, and for our hands, they're just gonna be like, it doesn't really matter like which order you do it. Just one hand is gonna be in front of you, and the other hand is gonna be in the back. So they're just gonna go like this, and they're gonna like slide to the sides like this. So you're just gonna slide, and then you're gonna switch, and then slide. So just 1 and 2. Like in some dances you do it slower, in others faster, but here you're just gonna go like 1, 2, just like that. So just slide, then switch, and slide. Okay, so what are you gonna do while you do this? Your right leg is gonna be in front of you, and you're gonna like do like these bounces. So the only thing you have to do these bounces is you're gonna straighten your leg and then bend it. Straighten, bend, straighten, bend, and that's it. That's how you do like these bounces, and that's it. So from the beginning, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna go kick, and then kick, and then kick, and then kick, and then you're gonna put your leg in front of you, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna do 2 bounces on each side. Like before you switch, you do 2, and then after you also do 2. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna clap twice. Just clap like this, or like this, however you want to. You just clap twice, and then you're gonna do the same thing, but like the other way. So if you started like with your right hand in front of you, and you're gonna change, and then you're gonna go like this. So just the same thing, but in like the other order. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, then clap, clap, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is it. So like that's the whole dance. We're gonna do it again. So just kick, and then kick, and then kick, and then kick, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. So now we're just gonna do it once again, but a little bit faster, and we're done. It's as easy as that. So once again, kick, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!